Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be covering the topics definition of business organization, its nature and its scope. Talking about business organization, what is it? Well, it is an entity formed for the purpose of carrying on commercial enterprise. Business organization can take any one of the three forms. First is individual proprietorship. It is also known as sole proprietorship. Second comes our partnership. And the third is limited liabilities companies or corporation. Talking about the nature, it is divided into two, as art and as science. Business organization is an art as one has to use his skills and knowledge in solving many complicated problems of business to achieve the enterprise objective. It is science as it is a systemized body of knowledge which establishes relationship between cause and effect. The principles of organization cannot be considered as fundamental truth. Now let's talk about the scope. First is sole or individual proprietorship, second is partnership, and the third comes joint stock company. Let's talk about sole or individual proprietorship. In this, a single person holds the entire operation as his personal property, usually managing it on a day-to-day basis. Second is partnership. The partnership may have 2 to 50 or more members depending on the nature of the firm. This form of business is owned by the partners themselves. They may receive varying shares of profits depending on their investment. Third is joint stock company. In this form of business, the work of the organization started even before its amalgamation by the promoters and continues after amalgamation. The scope of this form of organization is quite wide and complicated. Thanks for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.